Click on the link below to get price. NEMIX RAMs 1. 5TB 12 by 128GB DDR4 2933MHZ PC4 23400 8Rx4 1.2V CL21 288-pin ECC memory module offers an impressive upgrade for enterprise servers and high-performance workstations. With its massive capacity and advanced specifications, this memory is designed to excel in data-heavy environments, whether for virtualization, large databases, or intensive computational tasks. One of the standout features of NEMIX RAM is its capacity. At 1.5 TB, it provides ample room for multitasking, allowing users to run multiple applications simultaneously without any slowdown. This is particularly beneficial for users in fields such as data science, video editing, and software development, where large datasets and applications can consume significant memory resources. The 2933 MHz speed, while not the highest in the market, strikes a balance between speed and efficiency, ensuring reliable performance for various workloads. The ECC, error correcting code, feature is another critical aspect of this RAM. ECC memory is designed to detect and correct internal data corruption, making it an ideal choice for critical applications where data integrity is paramount. This capability significantly reduces the risk of system crashes and enhances overall system stability, providing peace of mind for professionals who rely heavily on their machines. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the standard 288-pin configuration. The 1.2V power requirement ensures energy efficiency, which is essential for both environmental considerations and cost-saving measures in large data centers. In terms of build quality, NEMIX RAM is designed for durability, which is essential for components that will be continuously used in demanding environments. While this RAM might be seen as an investment, the robust performance and reliability it offers can justify the price tag for businesses that require top-tier hardware. In conclusion, NEMIX RAM's 1.5 TB DDR4 ECC memory module is an exceptional choice for anyone needing high-capacity, reliable memory solutions. Its combination of high capacity, ECC support, and solid performance makes it